Alright, you guys, so here's the deal. I live with my boyfriend's family, and they are very loud speakers, and it is Sunday today, so they don't have to go to work, which means they're gonna be home. And I really wanted to film, but they are literally on the other side of that door, which means you're gonna be hearing them throughout this entire video, most likely. And instead of just fighting it, I figured I would embrace it. So if you speak Spanish, I truly hope they don't say anything embarrassing because I don't speak Spanish and I don't know what they're saying. So we're gonna do an unboxing today, possibly a nail set. And yes, I am wearing some blue light glasses. You know why? Because I have a bunch of blue light glasses that I never wear, and I just felt like putting it on today. Are these kind of big? Yes, they are. But you know what? I have them. I may as well use them. So, before I get into this, make sure you give me a like for enduring this, and make sure you subscribe. And let's do this. Okay, so I'm very excited about this video because I have a package from Colorful July. I have not featured them on my channel in quite a while, but they sent me their autumn box, and I am so excited for this. I genuinely really love their products, and from looking at their website, it looks like they've changed a lot. They have new products, but a lot of them don't have like their brand name on it. It's like they carry different brands. I don't really know how to explain it, but I'm excited for this box. So let's crack on in. And yes, I changed my glasses. I will be doing like a little showcase of the blue light glasses I have, just so each of them can get their own spotlight. And speaking of spotlight, there's a brown spot on this particular pair. Where are you? There. There. I know you see it on my white. It's like it's ingrained in that lens, and I can't get it off. So I'm really curious. Have you guys tried Colorful July? If not, is there a reason why? Because I genuinely love their products. I feel like they are not spoken of enough. Look at that. That's Kuromi. Look how cute this box is. I love the color of this. But yeah, as I said, it is their seasonal autumn box. I will put whatever information I can find about this box in the description. Let's crack on in. Oh. So the first thing that they always do is they include like a little thank you card in each box, and they are always beautifully wrapped in this paper, and I've seen them in many different colors, but talk about detail. There's their information as well as their socials. I'm definitely going to keep this, and I'm going to be wrapping something in this. We'll see how good the ASMR is going to be on this video. There are so many goodies in here. So we will start with the nail art. Alright, we have nail art stickers, and it looks like we have 5 of them. We have some beautiful colored leaves. We have some beautiful rose gold hearts and stars and moons. And we also have it in silver. And we have more beautiful leaves with gold detail. These are very pretty. And then lastly, we have some gold accents. Looks like kind of like dream catchers and feathers. I love that. I love that a lot. The next thing I see I don't know what it is. I truly don't know what this is. It's not a nail stand because there are no stands. Is this just for decoration? It's cute. It's like a little crystal with some gold, but I don't know. And it's not very heavy, so it's not like a paperweight. Let me know down below what you think it's for. The next thing we have are maple leaf glitters. Wow. The conversation in the background is pretty loud, so again, I'm sorry. I can't help it. Alright, so those are the beautiful maple leaf glitters. Speaking of glitter, we have this really gorgeous black hollow glitter. Ooh, I love that. That's a good sized bottle too. Ooh, look at that. We also have these. I saw these on Temu. I can't remember what they called it. It was like a texture thing though. Kind of like flocking powder, but not really. I think they called it. I forgot what it's called. If I could figure it out, I'll put it somewhere. But these are so cool. There's like a pink and purple one, and then a purple, green, yellow, orange, super colorful one. So those are really cool. I like to add weird things to my nails, like different textures. Next, I see these Aurora chips, kind of like different shapes. There's butterflies, there's triangles, there's hearts, angel eyes. Very pretty Aurora chips. I think these are like canine crystals. I don't know what they're called. Okay, we have a pack of Star metallic nail charms. You know me and my metallic nail charms. I am a sucker for them. So, I love that. Ooh, we have some metallic crosses, and these have pearls on them. Oh, these are pretty. I don't have anything like this, surprisingly. So, we've got some cross nail charms. Ooh, speaking of adding weird things to the nail, we have some gravel. I do have a video using like metallic crushed stones, so I do love using gravel and this sort of stuff on my nail. Love that. Next, we have like this champagne rhinestone mix. Oh, I love this because not only does it have the circular, but it has squares and rectangles. So that's going to be really cool. You can do like a disco ball nail with these. I love this color. It looks so good with like nude nails, like brown nails. Okay. And then the last like nail art thing is this 6-pack of glitters. They've got super fine glitter, and then they got a little bit more chunky. Then they got like these hexagon ones or octagon, whatever you want to call it. So these are like a silver with like green reflect, and then they have an orange reflect on the other side. So that is super pretty. Okay, let's move on to the gels. Gotta stay hydrated. We will dig into these first. Now this is what I'm talking about, where it doesn't say Colorful July on it. I don't know what this brand is. I've never seen it or heard of it. So yeah, we got these 2 items from this brand. It says a solid patch adhesive. I don't know what that means. It says painted adhesive, and this is number 5. I still don't know what this is. I guess it's just like a solid gel. I think it's just a solid gel. So we have number 5, and we also have number 3, which looks like a mustard yellow. Oh, it's a lot brighter in the actual pot. Okay, I think these are just gel paints. I'm definitely going to look on their website to see if there's any more information about these. The next thing we have is from Uomi, a different brand. I don't know what it is. Everything looks like it's in Chinese. This looks like a black gel paint. Very hard to see in the pot, but you know, I'll show you swatches. I don't know. I truly don't know what direction Colorful July is going now that they're just including these other brands rather than having their own like name on their products. So this is a 6-pack of gels. Okay, and I think this is a jelly set, which I don't believe I've tried any of their jelly products, so I'm excited about that. I do wish I could try their cat eyes. They do have a lot of cat eyes. Okay, so that is the 6-pack. I like it that we get technically like 9 gels from this box. Can't be mad at that. And the last item is a little fun item. Not nail related at all. A cute little unicorn book. Is this a notebook? They throw in cutesy little things like this. Reminds me of my TikTok shop freebies that I get. And it's fuzzy. Fuzzy. It says love. That's so cute. My niece would love this. She loves unicorns. And yes, it's a notebook. So that's cute. I could probably like write video ideas in it or something. I don't know. I don't typically write anymore. But that's nice. It's pretty soft. But that is everything that came in the box, you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch these gels for you so you can see what all those look like. Should I do a nail set? While I'm swatching, I'm gonna think about that. So stay tuned just in case I decide to. But what do you think? What do you guys think? Do you think this was a good box? Would you try their products? I think this was a good box. I do believe this box is like $70. I'm not gonna lie, it's a little bit steep. I'm also subscribed to Daily Charms Charm Box, which is their nail subscription box, and that one is $50, so cheaper. And I really love their boxes, but this one does come with a good amount of stuff. So I don't know. I don't know. What do you guys think? I'm genuinely curious. Okay, let's get to swatching. By the way, I'm normally this weird. Ask my siblings, ask my boyfriend. I am very weird. So the fact that I am doing this in my natural state means I'm getting very comfortable with you guys. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing, but take it as you will. Anyways, that is all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and hanging out with me. I appreciate you coming by. I will leave whatever information I can find on this box and Colorful July in the description, of course, so definitely check them out. Sorry again about all the background noise. I'm gonna go. I will talk to you guys later.